We have a 2013 Salem ice cabin fish house. This unit is a 20-footer. Again, we have the power jack system, spare tire, water hookup, access to the refrigerator if ever needs to be worked on. Very easy. This is for your plug-in as well as your external battery unit. We have the power jack again. You can do it outside or we can do it from the inside. You don't have to worry about any cables breaking or any issues whatsoever. Rusting, froze up. This is all battery operated. The unit is on the other side as well. Again, this is a 2013 Salem fish house that's brand new. Another nice feature is you put in your LP tanks on the side of the unit here. Has a nice door, keeps it out of all bad elements, ice and snow, slush. Right at the door, you have to flip it, just pop out and boom, you're ready to go. Again, we have the plastic flooring composite that is non-slip. This unit has a large closet and or bathroom in the front with a vent out the top. Knotty pine walls. This has a stove, oven, microwave, hood top. Here's your power switch to go up and down. Find the spot, unhook it from your unit, push the buttons, drop it over your holes, go fishing. Large cabinet space on this unit, counter space as well. Up over the tops your cabinets. Lights over every hole. We have a bed that folds up on the side. I'll close that up. We also have overhead storage. That unit folds into a bed as well. A couch that folds into a bed in the back. Large space for fishing here, hallway. Again, on the opposite side of the stove, more counter space for you where your refrigerator sits. You got a little sink area, overhead cabinets with a stereo. Very, very nice, very spacious fish house. Again, this is a brand new 2013 Salem, made by Forest River, 20-foot fish house. If you have any questions regarding this fish house or anything else we have at our auction, please call Wayne at 763-242-9496. We have an electric jack in the system. You just push the button and you can drop it down, drop it up, either way. If the battery fails you, you can also use this rod and crank it down by hand. No need for any more rusty cables. We also have the jack set up in the back, same way here. You just push the button, up or down, adjust it where you want it. Also, inside the system, or the fish house, you can retract it up or you can push down and level your system, your fish house, inside the warm and cozy fish house. Again, we have a manual crank. You can do it with the battery system. Very slick, very easy. No more headaches with cables. Any questions on this unit? Please call Wayne at 763-242-9496.